The Infinity Bond Pro Nozzle Kit is perfect for tackling a wide variety of different applications. Today we will take a closer look at the Precision Nozzle, Extension Angle Nozzle, and Extension Nozzle. All of these nozzles come standard in the Pro Nozzle Kit and make it easy to customize the dispensing technique of your hot melt glue sticks. The Extension Nozzle with a 3.5mm orifice comes standard on many of our hot melt glue guns. It features a built-in check valve and silicone safety sleeve with a slightly elongated tip. This extension nozzle is great for most standard applications. The Infinity Bond Extension Angle Nozzle features a 2.7mm orifice and is great for reaching difficult places in many packaging applications. It features a silicone safety sleeve for safe operating and a built-in check valve. Use the Extension Angle Nozzle when you're working with hard-to-reach places. The Infinity Bond Precision Nozzle features our smallest orifice, 1.5mm, for the finest detail work. The Precision Nozzle has a built-in check valve to eliminate dripping and is easily applied to your hot melt glue gun. Choose this nozzle when precise application techniques matter or when working with fine or thin detail pieces. All of these nozzles can be purchased individually or as a part of the Infinity Bond Pro Nozzle Kit and are compatible with the Scout, Ranger Pro, Brute, and other Infinity Bond hot melt glue gun models. Find your perfect dispensing fit today.